blank slide paralysis, boxes that won't align, decks that took up your whole afternoon and still look meh. Well, Beautiful.ai fixes all of that. In the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through every feature you need to know to make a work-ready presentation that takes minutes, not hours. Let's check it out. First, let's get some help to jumpstart your design. From the dashboard, click Create with AI. Type a prompt, drop in any extra context, a brief, a URL, a doc, and Beautiful.ai will draft the entire presentation for you. Theme, layout, copy, images, all of it. Think of it as your first draft, not your final deck. If you want more control of your design from the start, click Create from Blank instead. You get a clean canvas to build on, one slide at a time. Or you can use a starter template. These are full multi-slide decks, professionally designed for things like pitches, sales proposals, and quarterly reviews. Pick one, swap in your content, and you're 80% of the way there. Whichever path you take to create a presentation, your theme sets the visual foundation. Colors, fonts, logos, icons, footers. Decide once and apply it everywhere. Browse the gallery, pick a theme that fits, and your whole presentation updates instantly. Here's the core of how Beautiful.ai works. Smart slides. Think of them as a built-in designer. Intelligent layouts that auto-align, resize, and animate your content so you can stay focused on the message, not the formatting. You can swap layouts in and out without losing your content. If you want a fresh take on a single slide, use Slide AI to regenerate it. Click the AI icon, type in your prompt, and Beautiful.ai builds your slide based on your theme. You can also refine the prompt and regenerate it again. To add visuals, Beautiful.ai pulls from a massive built-in library of free photos, videos, and icons. Click any image element, search what you need, and drop it in. No tab switching, no licensing headaches, and no need to leave your presentation. If your visual isn't quite right, you can generate your own. Click the image, click Regenerate with AI, describe the visual that you want, and Beautiful.ai generates a visual that matches your prompt. Now here's a feature that is specifically made for cleanly adding data to your slide. Click your chart, click Import Data. You can paste in from your spreadsheet, or you can upload your CSV file, or link your Google Sheet to watch the data upload in real time. The chart formats automatically and stays styled to your theme. Switch between line graphs, bar graphs, pie graphs, and more with your data already locked in. If you're sending your deck to your team but you can't present it live, you can add video narration. Click the narration icon, hit record, and walk through each of your slides with a talking head narration video on each one. Your audience watches at their own pace, and you can still guide them through the presentation. It's great for sales follow-ups, async pitches, and company training. If you're halfway through and your theme isn't quite working for you, open up Theme Builder and swap it out. Every slide updates at once, and you can fine-tune the colors and font to make sure it matches your brand kit exactly. The best part about Beautiful.ai is that it's built for teams. You can share your presentation with your team by clicking Share with Collaborators and giving them view or edit access. You can drop in slide-level comments, assign slides to individual contributors, and work in real time. Everyone stays on the same version, so there's no email or Slack confusion, and when you're ready to show off the final product, click Present. Your deck plays through our streamlined branded viewer with full screen slides, speaker notes, and a built-in timer. If you need to share out your presentation as a file, open the export menu. You can send out your deck as a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or a video. Useful for offline sharing, LinkedIn uploads, or attaching in a message. Once your deck has been sent out, head over to Viewer Analytics. See who opened it, how long they spent, which slides they actually viewed, and where they may have dropped off. For sales decks and client pitches, this kind of data is telling you exactly how your presentation is connecting with the viewer. Well, that's the tour. With Beautiful.ai, you can jumpstart your presentation using AI, refine with smart slides, adjust the theme, share it with confidence, and track what's actually landing with the viewer. Design quality decks with no designer required. Try it for free for 14 days at Beautiful.ai. And if this video saved you some time, make sure to hit subscribe and check out some of our previous videos for some more helpful tips.